Want to upload multiple videos to your Instagram story at once? Here are 2 easy methods you can use. First, add multiple videos directly in Instagram. Open Instagram and swipe right to open the story camera. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom left. Then, tap the Select Multiple icon. Now select all the videos you want to upload. Tap the next arrow button. Each video will appear as a separate story slide. You can add text, emojis, music, and even reorder them by dragging. When you're ready, tap Share to post all videos at once. Second, combine multiple videos into one. For this, open a video editing app like CapCut. Then, tap on New Project. Next, select all the videos you want, and tap on Add. From the options below, select Aspect Ratio. Set it to 9:16. Tap the play button to preview the video. If you are satisfied with the video, tap on Export to save the final video to your gallery. Now, open Instagram and create a new story from your gallery. Select the exported video file, trim any unnecessary part from the clip, and tap Done. Then, select your story to upload the video to the story. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.